We have fuel pumpage. That means I wired it right. Woo! Hey guys, and welcome back to Drop Clutch Garage. Today's a very exciting day. In today's video, we're gonna finally fire up the 65 coupe. So in preparation for that, we went ahead and got fluid in the transmission and the power steering. Right now, we're gonna prime the oil in the engine. We're gonna be removing the distributor and setting up a drill to be able to turn the pump. Before we remove this distributor, we're gonna make sure cylinder number 1 is at top dead center. So we're gonna spin the engine over by hand, and we're gonna make sure that we have this lined up with 0 on the damper. So that way when we go ahead and stab the distributor back in, we know our timing's set right. Let's go ahead and do that.
I see the 0. You're good. Dead on, actually.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I think the fan and the way of the ratchet.
Take a look. Oh, shoot.
So the setup we have here is just a regular drill on the 1/4" extension with the 1/4" socket, and that fits over the oil pump shaft. And we're going to spin this over with the drill. We don't need to go full blast on it. We're just going to check our gauge and make sure we've got about 40 pounds of pressure. And then we'll be good to stab the distributor back in and fire it up.
Keep going. You just got to 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. It's holding at 50.
Now it's time to calibrate our Holley EFI. So we're gonna go through the wizard step by step. When you turn on the key, we get power to the Holley display here, and we're gonna go into our wizard. Guys, now they want us to select which exact Sniper EFI system we have, and we have our 2 injector, 550, 850, 2300. So we're gonna select that and hit next. Number of cylinders, we got 8. Engine displacement, we have a 289. Target idle speed, we'll probably start off at about 650. Cam type, this one has a mild cam. Like the ignition type now, we're using a coil.
That 2 seconds.
Yeah.
Immediately.